Go to www.samstc.com and click for employers. New users register with their work email, organization name, phone number, and location. Set a password, agree to the terms and conditions. Once registered, log in using the details. Your dashboard gives you an instant view of everything. All your current projects are listed below with the application status, and on the right you have quick actions. One screen, full visibility. Click post a new job either using the quick actions or like this. Choose your plan. You can visit the pricing for more details. Fill in your job details. You can mark the organization confidential if the role requires it. Do not include any external email IDs or application links. Recruit360's built-in ATS receives and manages all applications securely. Once the details are filled, you can have a preview and publish it. Your job is live. In order to manage the candidates, click on any project to open your candidate view. 4 tabs track your entire pipeline: pending review, hiring pipeline, offer and joining, and ineligible. And on the extreme right, you have total applications. For every candidate, you can view their CV, their cover letter, their profile, the screening responses, and full application history all in one place. Shortlist to move them forward, maybe to hold and reject with reasons from the drop-down, or write your own. Once shortlisted, in the hiring pipeline, you can add your own selection stage and update progress as it moves. Once a candidate clears all your rounds, move them to offer and joining. Record the offer date, joining date, CTC, and mode of work. You can mark them accepted, declined, or joined. Recruit360. Start free today at www.SAMS-STC.com.